Welcome to mid-August 2023 update on Grand Indonesia's lifts upgrading. Finally, another, major update on the scenic lifts. The hall fixtures on almost all floors have been installed, and it looks like this. Could this be a sign that this lift will be running shortly? Next, there is a news about BP3 or Rama lifts. One of the shuttle lifts in that bank, the BP303 bank that shuttles between level G and level 2, is undergoing upgrading. Will it be a Mitsubishi, or will it be a Fujitec? Only time will tell. That's it for the update on this period. See you next time, and as always, never trust a generic.